makeup lover and welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. If not, my name is Malene. I'm a Danish makeup artist living in Barcelona in Spain. For today's two different looks, one palette, I pulled out this guy here, the Petalmorphosis, and as of April 2025, it's the latest, the newest Mothership from Pat McGrath Labs. It's Mothership 12. If you want to see how I did these two different daytime, day-friendly, office-friendly looks, then keep watching because it's totally possible. I know that some of you are a little bit afraid of this palette because it seems very colorful, but you can really pull off some super soft and natural day-friendly looks. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or you want to tell me if you remember to pull out your motherships on a daily basis, let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. Now, let's go ahead and do some makeup, shall we? Starting out with the highlighting shade with my flat definer brush and the Divine Dawn here under my brow, the outer part of the brow. Dip my Blender Pro into the Lunar Nectar, and I am gonna put that on here on the so-called transition area over the crease and in the crease, and I'm just patting it on to lay the color down. And as you can see, I literally just like dipped it in, so it is very transparent when I'm putting it on like this. I just want it to be a flush of color and not like the color as you see it in the pan. Because this is gonna be, well, for now, I'm thinking it's going to be a daytime look, but let's see what happens when I get going. You never know. Same color on my mini booster, and this time around, I'm going to go into the crease area. So directly into the hollow of the eye here. Just going back and forth. And so far, just making it very soft and not super powerful in any way, shape, or form. A little bit more, same color, same brush. And I am mainly focusing on the outer part here when I'm laying it on, and then I'm going a little bit inwards. But still within the daytime makeup category so far. On my soft definer brush, I dipped into the same exact color, the Lunar Nectar, and I'm going to use that as the color under my eye here. Just going back and forth. And then I am going to mix that into the upper part of the eye look with the same color. Still not sure where this is heading, but I'll figure it out. Although it's supposed to be a daytime look, I still think that we can use some astral or blitz shades. So I am just gonna gently tap on a little bit of the Astral Sunset Splendor. And I just put on a little bit on my ring finger. And as you can see, it really is just a little bit. So it's just giving small like shimmers here on the lid. I'm gonna put on a little bit more. Same color, same finger, and I'm just tapping it on my mobile eyelid. And by the way, I am not wearing any primer. I am just wearing a teeny tiny bit of foundation, and that's it. Inner corner highlight, Divine Dawn on the flat definer. Just a little bit here to brighten up the area. Put on some Dark Star mascara from Pat McGrath Labs, and as a waterline liner, I used the ColourPop cream liner in the color Morganite because I feel it goes really good with the Astral shade. So this is the first look without lashes because I don't think that I want to put on lashes when it's supposed to be some kind of daytime look. Now let's get on to the second look. Gonna start the second eye look out the way I did with the first one, with some Divine Dawn on my flat definer here under the brow, just to do the little bit of highlight here. Blitz Bronze Supernova, why not? On my ring finger, I am really pressing it. I'm sorry for my upstairs neighbor making a lot of noise if you heard that. It was just a chair being pushed along the floor. Okay, I am just pressing it on, as you can see here, with my ring finger. As an inner corner highlight, I am going to use a Divine Dawn I used for under the brow here on my flat definer brush. And I'm just mixing it into the previous color. To darken it up a teeny tiny bit, I dip my ring finger into the Cosmic Fantasies, and I'm going to use that here in the outer part, and I'm just tapping it on and mixing it into the previous color, and I'm just going to make it a little bit deeper and darker out here. And that's it. I want to give this eye look some eyeliner, so I took out my Black Coffee liquid eyeliner from Pat McGrath Labs, and I am just giving this eye look a small eyeliner here on the outer part mainly. And here you see the second eye look with a little bit of a mascara on the upper lashes. I completely skipped the lower eye area because sometimes I feel that it can look really, really sophisticated if you keep that naked and don't put a mascara on it. But of course, it's totally up to you what you want to do. But for this look, I'm just going to keep it like this. I'm now going to zoom you out so you can see what the two different looks look like with a full face of makeup. And this is it. These are the two different looks with Petalmorphosis. On my face, I am wearing the Haus Labs foundation in the color 160. I bronze up my face a little bit with the new tiny bronzer from Pat McGrath Labs. As a blush, I'm just reaching out for it now. I am wearing the, whoops, aphrodisia. It just fell down. I'm going to show you here. This one, the Baked collection here. And this is from the Bridgerton 2, by the way. And on my lips, I am wearing the Color Pop lip liner in the color Bumble. And to make it a little less pink, I put on the Lush Gloss in the color Nude Venus. So these are not some crazy looks, and they are not complicated. They are super easy and fast to do. And I made this video to inspire you to pull out your Mothership palettes on a daily basis and do some day-friendly looks as well, because you can totally do that. And you don't only have to pull out your Mothership palettes when you're going to a party, when you have a special occasion. Use it as an everyday palette and have fun with it, because you paid a lot of money for this palette, so have fun with it. Now, I want to thank you so much for taking your time out of the day to watch this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comments, or you want to tell me if you remember to pull out your motherships to make day-friendly looks, let me know in the comment box. And of course, if you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel. It will be awesome to have you join. I hope your day will be absolutely super fantastic, amazing, and all that with a cherry on top, and hope to see you soon again. Thank you so much. Bye.